guys, a little quick video for you because it just happened, so I want to mention it because I'm sure this is an issue that's going on for quite a while on the YouTube platform, and many people experience the same struggle with these type of scams. So basically, as you can understand from the title, I'm talking about a specific type of comment that occasionally, especially new small channels, experience until you block them pretty much. And so I've just received a comment. Let me show you. Okay, right here. This vun.fyi. This is a total scam. Never, ever, ever click on this link, because it can really damage your computer. You don't want this. You want to remove this type of scams straight away. They target especially small channels, especially new channels. And so because this channel right here, it's fairly new, like I literally start, like a week ago, I've blocked them already in my other two channels, but this channel I didn't have the time yet, and I knew I would have encountered this issue even here, because as every scammers, they are so annoying, they are literally parasite. And so let me show you really quick how you can block these idiots. I mean, they do count on your curiosity, especially for a new channel. Every small little comment, it's quite an achievement, in the beginning, because the hardest part, it's always to start, having some kind of traffic, in your brand new channel. So when you have this type of comments, you wonder, who is this person that just, left a comment under my videos. And so out of curiosity, if you don't know any better, you're gonna instantly click on this link that they leave you. And so basically infect your computer, or allowed this total parasite to scam your channels. Okay, so this is my second account. So if you go here on the left column, you go on setting, and then you click on community, and if you scroll down, you can block certain type of words. So if you notice, I've blocked already these scammers in this channel, but I didn't in my digital entrepreneur channel yet. So I'm just gonna copy these these words right here, so that I won't allow these idiots to scam my channel anymore. Then I'm gonna close. I'm gonna go back into my digital entrepreneur account, and I go again on the settings section. Again, under community, I scroll down and I want to find the blocked words section. I'm going to just edit paste, the words that I just copy on my other channel. So now this person has been blocked. If you notice, it's the same scammer, but a try with different kind of codes. So there's a VUN or VUR or vyn.fyi. So if you block all of them, you can just type them, Also, super important, make sure you check this box right here, block links. So this will automatically block any comments that contains a clickable link in it. So with these extra steps, you are super safe and you don't have to worry any longer about this type of issue. And then you save. And now this person has been blocked. So this is how you keep your account safe, and how you avoid having anyone clicking on that link, because obviously there's viruses, or you don't want to deal with this type of people. And it's just unfortunate that on the internet there's so many parasites that if they put 1/10 of the energy they put to try to scam all of us on doing something good as well, it's so time wasteful, like it's so frustrating, and it's so stupid, because they just bother you, they make you waste time to block them, and like what do you obtain? Like I can't deal with this type of people, and unfortunately there's too many in the world. I just wish that portion of humanity will be easily erasable, but it is what it is. I'm just trying to bring awareness, that this is an actual issue that YouTube cannot handle yet. It's been going on for quite a while on the YouTube platform, and you can most likely found other videos about it. But I just want to let you know, if you are starting a channel or if you are a small channel, please block these people straight away. Don't even give the time of the day. Don't ever click on their links. Just delete them, treat them for what they are, parasites, and that is it. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I will always, upload very useful tutorials to help you keep your account safe, to be successful online, and to have a beautiful digital entrepreneurship journey. Please leave a like if this video helped you in any way, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.